Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's going back to playing Brawl Stars. Today we're playing in Subway Surfers Subway Surfers X Brawl Stars event. Let's play this a little bit like, this event's up to
Another dollar!
Sure, why not? This event is honestly just complete piss. We play like 3 or 4 rounds of it, but like, you basically got like train like a Subway Surfer.
Another day, another dollar. Another dollar. Another day, another dollar. I'll be right under the
Okay, that was really very fast. Okay, this isn't bad, but I guess.
Another day, another dollar.
You know what? I think I'll do That's probably a good idea. Then I can like get through like the checkpoints faster. Because Max, especially with the super, then I can move up to the next checkpoint hopefully.
Turbo time! Did someone hit me?
The biggest target though. Unfortunately though,
Turbo time!
How is everybody else like so far behind me? There's no way these guys are not behind me. There's no way I on my I won.
Turbo time!
I was thinking just early today, and I was getting like 4th and 5th, and that's kept being terrible, but now? My only worry about Crypto, she's got very low health. Just look at guys, I'm in my Roblox weird gun game, before I did really well being reactive, but it's always just playing against bots. That's managed to get all my kills. I've been playing against bots that previous round as well. Let's go. I want to go Colt Mash. Okay, let's do Dang it. Really bad idea playing this trick, but okay. This video probably won't be very long though, can I be honest, but like, yeah. I don't know, who should I play as? Oh, you know, I think I'll just do one more match. Let's do and then, yeah, finish it, guys. I just don't really feel like doing it for much longer. So, once this video might be like really short, but like, yeah. I can't really bother to really play too much longer, yeah. I can't really play the last match. Oh my god! I swear, I actually hate that. How would it my first again? How would it go so far ahead though? I'm getting up to almost I definitely should have done that one. Dang it. Yeah, a lot harder. Okay, I was second. Bad then. But like, yeah, but like as I was saying, I honestly can't be bothered to do this for much longer. So like, yeah. No,
Time to brawl.
I don't have enough diamonds to unlock Leon right now. I mean, like, yeah. But like, yeah, I guess it was a good video then. Bye, guys. Bye.